Okay, so let's get back to this problem right here. And I apologize, I didn't have enough time. And so I am here after school making sure that I get this finished. So that formula, just want to reiterate. So for any type of prism, and this would be a prism because you have the two parallel bases. So surface area, just going to write it on here, is equal to pH plus 2 times our big B, and then volume was equal to the big B times my height. Okay, so the big H is from base to base. Okay, volume is usually a lot easier, but again, if I'm looking at my base, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a hexagonal prism. So we're going to have to go back and say 360 divided by the 6 sides. That's going to give us the 60 degrees here. So I'm just going to draw this. Okay, so that's 60. We don't know our apothem. So it's right here. So we need to find that apothem so we can find the area of our base. Once we have that, that should make this a lot easier. So our apothem, we know that this is 30, right? Since that's 60, that little guy is 30. And we know that he's 1 because this whole thing is 2. So we know opposite and we want adjacent. So that's tangent. So we're going to say the tangent of 30 is equal to opposite, which is 1, over our apothem. And I can use that as an A. So when we do this, we basically say 1 times 1 divided by the tangent of 30. And do realize we're rounding. So 1 times 1 equals divided by the tangent of 30. I get 1.73. So my apothem is 1.73. And again, we have rounded. So now that I have my apothem, I can either use the formula that we used the other day. So I have 6 triangles. So area of my base, I'm going to make that a big A, equals 1/2. My base is 2. My height is 1.73. And then I'm going to have 6 triangles. So let's punch that into my calculator. So 0.5 times 2 times 1.73, and there's 6 of them. So 10.38, and I'm going to leave it like that. A equals 10.38. All right. So that is my big B, is the area of that base. So my volume is equal to the 10.38. That's my big B, or my A, times the height, which is 11. That's easy. So my volume is equal to 114.18 or 0.2 if we're rounding to the nearest tenth at this point. And this is meters cubed. All right. Now going back over here to find the surface area. I have 2 faces that are like that, or I can use this formula. What is my perimeter? So my perimeter equals 2 times 6, so that's 12. So let's go ahead and try this. Surface area, can you see what I'm doing? Is equal to my perimeter, which is 12, my height is 11, plus 2 times my base, and my base was 10.38. Let's punch that all into a calculator. Just takes time. 152.76 or 152.8 meters squared. And that's all you have to do. So more practice with this. That's good. That's it.